loves, it's Sam. So I'm very excited today because number one, I have a Target haul from their new anniversary collection. I stalked this thing as soon as they were like putting out videos about it. I was like, oh yes. So I stalked the website. I went and hearted all my things on Target and I was like, yes, okay, cool. So as soon as the collection came out, I was like, oh, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna be so good. I'm gonna get all the things I want. And basically everything was sold out super fast, so that sucked really bad. So I only have a few things, which is a bit of a bummer, but I feel like the pieces that I did end up getting my hands on were really cute and I'm very excited. And then I found one thing in store yesterday. There was a lot of stuff in stores, it was just nothing that I wanted. So before I get into that though, I have a little special announcement and I'm so excited because I've been working on this for like, well, the past few months, basically over the summer. I have a new collection coming out that you guys are gonna be able to purchase. It will be going live today. I'm gonna leave a link right in the top here of the description box so that you guys can go and click on that link. It'll take you over to my collection. I'm so excited for these pieces because I just love them. I've been testing them out a ton. I've had them now for a little while and I just feel like they're really cute. They represent me very well. Obviously we're coming into fall, so I wanted to just kind of have like a cozy vibe for this collection. So the very first one is a mug. I love mugs. I have way too many. I don't know what my problem is, but I just can't help but buy mugs. It's just like my favorite thing. And I love tea. I have tea every single morning. Once the weather starts to cool off, you want your hot drinks, and I am a huge fan of hot apple cider. So I wanted to have a really cute mug that can be used all year round because obviously I know everyone drinks, or most people drink tea and coffee all year round, but I wanted something that was going to be launched in the fall that felt, it just has the cozy vibes. So this is the first piece that we designed, and this is my Wild One mug. So you guys know that I am a Leo. I was born in July. The lion, I just think it's fierce. It's just fabulous. And so I really wanted to have a lion as the main design here, but I wanted it to have like kind of like a feminine, like fierce eye to where it's like really just like, ooh. And then I wanted to have really whimsical like waves, but like as you can see right here, there's little touches of pink in with that kind of mustard and blonde, which I'm obsessed with. And then I wanted wildflowers all in the lion's mane. And I just love the way it turned out. It's got this big sunflower here, which reminds me of my mom. We always had little sunflowers in our yard and we had a ton of wildflowers. And so I just really wanted it to feel just like very me. And then Wild One is because, well, number one, a lion is out in the wild, but I always call Lily my little wild one because she's such a free spirit, and the lip is perfectly thin to where I never ever spill. I don't drool all over myself. It is dishwasher safe, it is microwave friendly, and what I love about it, because my kids are lefties and me and Jay are right-handed, whether you're a lefty or you're a righty, you can have the, almost knocked my tooth out, you can have the design on either side. So I wanted to make sure that it was user-friendly for both people. But yeah, so this is my first one. This is the Wild One mug. I love it. It's beautiful. And then the second piece in my collection is another mug because I just can't get enough of mugs. I just love these mugs so much because they're such a good lip. They fit in your hand really well. They're a good weight. They're just a perfect size. So the next one is my Free Spirit mug. Now this one is, I'm like so into this rainbow trend going on right now, but I really wanted to have like earthy colors. So we did like that clay or the terracotta, the kind of really pretty salmon peach, and then the mustard, and then the really pretty kind of like very bohemian, kind of just free font. And the little eyes are dotted with rainbows, which I love, and I'm so glad that we were able to get those in there because I just think it's so cute. Both sides say it, so whether you're a lefty or a righty, you can take your cute little pictures. You can enjoy it from either side. I wanted to create a pillow. I like to change things up a lot. I know you guys know that. Like, I'm always changing my decor. Some days I feel like something and some days I don't. So I wanted to have something where you could have two sides, and like if you're feeling one way one day, you can have it on that, and then you can switch it around and have two pillows in one. It's a 2-for-1 special. This is my pillow, which I absolutely love. So we have some gorgeous flowers, and again, it's a lot of those colors that were in the mug. You've got your kind of peachy, your mustard, and then your terracotta, and then these two flowers right here, which just look like nice little wildflowers. and it says, "Don't worry, be happy." When I was a little girl and I was in this private school in England, and it was not my favorite place in the world, and I used to cry every single morning on the way to school, and my dad would drive me to school and he would play "Don't Worry, Be Happy" for me. And we'd sing along to it, and he'd whistle, and it's so funny because I was so little, like I must have been maybe 4 or 5, but I remember it so vividly. Always makes me think of my dad, and whenever I hear that song, it gives me like all these good feelings of like me and my dad hanging out in his car singing this little song. But I feel like it's a really good motto to live by as well. It's almost like a motivational little decor piece, because you can look at it if you're feeling a little stressed out, if you're feeling a little worried, and it will help calm you down and make you just smile and be like, you know what? And then you see it, and then you get that song stuck in your head, and then you're like, don't worry. You can't not be happy. And then on the other side is a little sunburst. It's like a sunburst rainbow with wildflowers. It's all the good things into one. So this one is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Same colors as on the back. You've got your mustard rays and then your little rainbow in the middle. So basically I wanted the rainbow that's on the mug, then I wanted the sunburst, like the sun is shining, and then I wanted little, like these other rays, the sun rays, to be little wildflowers. And so that's kind of the inspiration behind this. I just love it. I just think it's so fun and whimsical and very boho, and just like, it just speaks to my soul. So these are all the things that make me happy and make me feel a certain way when I look at them, and just give me good vibes. It's all about good vibes. I'm very excited. I can't wait for you guys to get them. If you do get them, please don't forget to share. I would love to see pictures on Instagram stories, Twitter, Facebook, wherever it is that you want to tag me. Please tag me so that I can see. And these are products that I have in my home that I use every day, that I love, that make me feel a certain way, and I'm hoping that they make you feel a certain way as well. Oh, also something to note, when you get this pillow, because it threw me off when I first got it, and I was like, what the heck is this? You'll get a label, because this is actually like, you can zip this off. There's a zip right here that you can remove the actual insert of the pillow. And when you first get it, you'll see like a massive label underneath, and you'll think, oh, is this dirty? Is this got like a mark on it? But it's just the label, and it's the black writing underneath. So when you get it, unzip this. And it is a little bit, it's not like, I mean, it's a big fat pillow stuffed in a case, so, you know, be careful with it. It's not just gonna whoop whoop. But go ahead and cut that label off, because otherwise, like, it totally messes with the design and you can see it through, and like, that's not cute. So just when you get that, at first when I got it, I was like, is this not like removable? Can I not unzip this? And then Phoenix was like, Mom, there's a zipper right there. And I was like, oh, thank God for him. I wouldn't have even seen that. So yes, you can unzip it. It's right on the bottom here, and you can just cut that label out so that you don't see a label coming through, because that's just not cute. So I will leave that link down below. You guys can click on over. It'll take you right on over to the collection. Then you'll be able to see each piece, and then I will link each individual item down below as well. Now that I've shared my special announcement, let's go ahead and get into the Target stuff. This one I actually found in store. Everything else was online. This is by John Darien, the John Darien company. This is a cake stand. It does say hand wash only, not microwave safe. But it's plastic, or melamine. I think it's melamine. Melamine. Anyway, it's, I thought it was gonna be like ceramic, but it's not. So that's nice, because it's kind of heavy that way. But it's just this really cute, it looks like a flower with like all the petals, and I just thought it was really pretty. I don't actually have a cake stand, so I really needed one, and I thought this was gorgeous, and I love that very soft kind of like, it's almost like a lilac-y mauve. Now this was a bit sneaky, because I saw it on the website and I thought it was a purse, and I was like, this is gonna be the cutest purse ever. Like, I'm so excited for this. And then it came and I was like, okay, that's a duffel bag. So this bag is literally massive. It's like not a purse. It's definitely a duffel bag, or a weekender tote, whatever you wanna call it. I honestly don't know if I'll ever use it, because I don't really go anywhere anymore. But if I ever do, I'll have to, actually we do have a little getaway planned coming up very soon, which I am gonna be filming. It's gonna be a nice little weekend getaway, and I'm gonna be filming it for you guys. It's me and the kids and Jay. So maybe I'll bring this along with me, because it's just a little weekend trip. But this is by Philip Lim, and it does have a little, you know, baggage tag right here, luggage tag. Oh, hold on a minute. So I'm just discovering you can actually make it even longer like this. So it was folded in, and then you can have it like this if you want to, which is also kind of cool if you need to make it like really big. So that's fun. I thought it was a purse. I was very surprised when I saw it because I was like, what is going on? This thing is massive. But you do have two little pockets in the side right here. And then on the other side, you have a actual zippered pocket right there. But it's big. I mean, you could definitely fit a lot of stuff in here. So as much as I was like surprised when I got it, and I was like, okay, this is definitely not what I was expecting. I'm actually very happy with it. I think it's cute. I love the colors. I love the fact that it's like a leopard print, but it's got that really gorgeous, like, what even is this color? It's like, just, oh, I don't know what it is. I can't describe it, but it's beautiful and I love it. And I love that it has the navy and the cream in there. So these ones are so cute. Now we don't actually drink, well, I don't drink ever because it's gross. It tastes gross to me. But Jay does drink wine, and when we have people over, obviously we have wine and champagne or whatever it is that we have. I don't know why I said champagne. We don't really ever have champagne, but we do have wine. You could tell I'm not a drinker. But this is the 4-piece barware set by Lily Pulitzer, but I just thought it was so cute so that when we do actually have guests over and we do have wine, we now have cute little stoppers, because like we don't even have any of that kind of stuff because I've never bought it in the past because I don't drink. So now we have a cute little, I don't know what this is called, but we do have the wine stoppers. One is a monkey, one is a pineapple, and one is an elephant. And I just think that they're so cute. So I love those. This would also be a really great gift idea for Christmas, which I think is adorable. And then this was another thing that like online, I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. I got all confused. It's actually very tiny, but this would either be really cute as a gift for a little girl, or it would also be a really great gift for someone to have like carry their tampons, their lip glosses, sanitizer, just bits and bobs that you need to put in your purse. So it really is a good size. I was expecting it to be like a bigger makeup bag, but it's actually like a nice small little size. The design is really cute, and I love the fact that the zipper is actually a pineapple. Like, how adorable is that, you guys? So cute. And then when you open it up, the inside is like all green, very tropical and lovely. So that's Lily Pulitzer. And then this I love. It's so cute. It's a beer, a bottle opener. Again, I don't ever use any of these things, but Jay, he'll have ciders. He can't have beer because it's got like wheat in it, but he can have ciders. And so when like my sister and her fiance come over, this is just a really cute little giraffe, which doesn't want to focus. There we go. Isn't that pretty? And that one is Lily Pulitzer as well. And then the last few things are just like little bits and bobs. These are not from the anniversary collection, but they are from Target. So my friend, who is also my neighbor, I'm like seriously so excited I have friends, you guys. I know this sounds so sad and pathetic because I do have friends, but I had friends from when I was young, which as an adult, it's very hard to make new friends, especially if you work from home. And I've never lived in a neighborhood where there's like people that actually like, you know, you see and talk to each other. And this neighborhood is very much like a little community, like a little family, and it's so adorable and I love it, and I'm so excited that I have new friends and I love them, and I just am like feeling so happy with where my life is right now. So anyway, my friend told me about this. She was having a birthday party at the pool and she had these. So these are the mango and hibiscus Lysol, and these are so good, you guys. They smell really like mango-y, hibiscus-y. They're really nice. They don't smell like cleaning at all. And so I would highly recommend you try those. They smell really good. And I love these wipes. They're so easy to just keep around. Just quickly wipe up a mess. And then so many of you guys had talked about trying raw sugar. They have it at Target, and they have body washes, hand soaps. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it. So this is the raw sugar Simply Hand Wash and the raw coconut and mango. I actually have the body wash version of this, and it smells so good. So I got like a big refill because when I was in the home section, wait, where's my other bag? In the clearance, you know, like they have the little end cap with the clearance stuff. They had these, which I actually had eyed before, but I was like, I'm not spending that much on that. Now it's $3 cheaper, so I'll get it. But these were on sale for $5.60, originally $8, so it's not even $3 off. But I just think they're so cute. These are by Opal House, I believe, yeah. And they're just a little soap pump with the gold top. So I'm just gonna keep these in our bathroom, and they just add like a nice little, you know, little warmth, a little je ne sais quoi to the bathroom. So I'm gonna fill these with that soap. And then I also got some more Shout, which I love. It's so good. It's been great at getting stains out of clothes, but I actually use it on the carpet too. If you have a little stain on your carpet, it does work very well. I spilt my bronzer and my blush. The little bits kept on coming off, you know, because I hit pan. And then I spilled them on my carpet and I was like, ah, brand new carpet, what the heck? And then I used the Shout and it came right out. So you definitely need to get the Shout, but it also works on clothes. And then these I really like. These are the Bic Soleil Sensitive, and they have like the comfort shield. There's my new collection that I'm so excited about. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on it. I just cannot wait to see pictures. I'm just really very excited about this situation. Please tag me. It's at Sam Schuerman. It's I'll just link my Instagram down below. That's where I'm like the most active. Let me see your pictures. Let me see your fingernails holding my mug. I would be so excited. I love you guys so very much. Thank you so much for watching. Huge thank you for, I know I always say this when I have like a little announcement video, but like huge thank you to you guys for allowing me to just have a job where I can be myself, where I can be my little free weird self that says ridiculous things and has verbal diarrhea. And just like, I'm just so thankful for you guys that I have this outlet, that that I have a place to be creative and just allow you guys to feel me and to see me. And then like for me to have these opportunities where I'm actually able to like create a collection that you guys can purchase and have in your own home. Like it's super weird for me sometimes. I'm like, dang, is this really my life? Like this is so cool. So I just want to say thank you to you guys. I literally owe everything to you guys. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate your support, your love, your sweet comments, your friendships. I feel like you guys are my friends and you know me better than most people in real life, which is so funny because I don't know you as far as like in real life, but I feel like I've learned, like I've made so many relationships through YouTube, through Instagram, and I get to see you guys and your stories, and you share your pups with me, and you share your kitty cats with me and your kids. Like I just feel like, I don't know, it's just really cool. I really like, I think the older I get, the more I really appreciate what this community has done for me. And why is this light so bright in here? What the heck? Just like the opportunities that you have given me. So I just want to say thank you. I don't want to get all sappy and weird, but thank you. I love you guys so very much. I appreciate your guys' support. And hopefully you guys will love these mugs and pillow as much as I do. Maybe it's not for you. Maybe you have a friend who like might connect with it better. Buy it as a Christmas gift. Whatever floats your boat. And if you just want to not buy it, that's okay too. I don't mind, but I would really like if you buy it. So I love you guys. Thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video, and happy Monday. Bye.